Today on Marine Engineering 101, let's take a look on a basic shipboard hack that engineers do whenever we have problems with leaking mechanical seals but without a spare available on board. This is another shipboard hack from Marine Engineering 101. The double screw pump for our boiler fuel supply was leaking during operation. We decided to check why and found out that roller bearings were damaged and it needs to be overhauled for repair. Upon disassembly, this is what we have discovered. The bearings were damaged and the steel balls were already out of place. We also encountered a problem with removing the inner portion of the bearing, so we resorted to cutting it carefully to break loose from the shaft. Desperate times, desperate measures. After that, we carefully inspected the parts for worn portions or broken structures. We discovered slightly worn mechanical seal surface to be the new problem at hand. A simple remedy from experienced marine engineers will recommend to recondition NA surface through lapping the seals on a mirror with the finest lapping compound. This will help even out imbalance on the surface, clean the seal and hopefully remedy the leakage when assembled. Finally, it is assembly time. Exercise caution not to break the seal during assembly. Follow correct order as to maker's drawings and properly balance installation. We renewed the bearing with correct specifics. And box up the pump. Basic tips. Size up correct mandrel for installation, not to pound on the steel balls during installation. Also take note that bearing assembly should be smooth and easy. If you experience that it is getting stuck someplace, refining and inspection is needed. Also, check the position of the mechanical seal. It should be on a height where enough spring force could lap the seal but not too much it may cause resistance to rotation. Follow lock markings prior disassembly. After the assembly of parts, the pump was run tested and showed no leakages during operation. Looks like the shipboard hack worked. Have you learned something from this video? If yes, help us reach more learners by sharing this content, following our Facebook page and subscribing to Marine Engineering 101 YouTube channel. For comments, queries and suggestions, let us know through the comment section. This is Marine Engineering 101. Work smart, know better. Follow for more.